Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gele Time tutorial. So in this particular video, I want to show you all how I tied the Zara Cap gele. Now first, I folded the gele into two equal parts. Do you understand? Into two equal parts. Then I got this is this stay, I'll call it, but you can use anything. Some people even tie without using stay, but because this is a beginner's class, I'm showing you how to use stay. Normally I tie sometimes without using stay and it will stay firm, but if you have anything, maybe like a carton or anything that you can just put inside, it's just for it to be firm. Even if you tie it without the stay, it will still show the Zara Cap, but this front part will not be firm. Now you see the way I did it. There is an hole between the gele and where the stay is. So, and I just took the ends to the back, and I just took the ends to the back, and I tied like this, just as you can see. All I'm just trying to do is arrange. It's very easy to tie. I think it's one of the easiest gele to tie. So some people sew. If you want it to be permanent, you can just sew it down, tack it down. Do you understand? You tack where that where I was putting my fingers, where the hole is. You tack it down and then you tie it to your taste. If you want one hand to be longer than the other hand, maybe you want to make you just want one hand to be longer than the other hand, then after rolling the shorter hand, you can now pick. I'm just trying to make sure the thing is safe. Now you can now pick the other hand up like this and make ruffles, make it rough. Just do whatever you like to do with it. You see, I just rolled it, and you know, the longer the hand, the more the ruffle. Do you understand? You can either do it this way, fold it the way I folded it, or you just make ruffles with it. Do you understand? Just you can just make it rough, chaka 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 chaka, and then you just pin down. See the way I've done it? Yeah, and then you pin down. Do you understand? You pin down. In this particular video, I'm actually making this video on my own head. See, I just tried pinning down the mouth where, like, the tips where I was holding with my finger, or I am holding with my finger. I just tried pinning that place down. So you can make as much ruffles as you want. All I'm just doing is trying to pin down. Like I said, Zara Cap is very easy to tie, and you can make do with whatever style you like to do with the hand at the back. Now you use pin to pin down. Can you see the pin is removing? Sometimes I don't even use pin. I'll just look for areas to tuck in that place, and sometimes it should just stay, but sometimes it can be so stubborn that I'll have to pin down. Yeah, just like this, exactly. And yes, I lifted it up a little. Okay, I think I need to adjust. I think I did. Look at the back, look at the way the back is. Yeah, I think I adjusted. Yeah, that place folded, and I had to just adjust to bring it down. And my